Last thing I have for you today, as I mentioned, we had a couple of additions to existing product lines. So I wanted to show you our Cucina Essentials dish soap and our new refillable dispenser with the pump. So I will, full disclosure here, we have had the Cucina Essentials dish soap for quite a while. Two beautiful scents, the lemon verbena and the garden basil. And I have not used them myself previously because I didn't want to give up the pump bottle on the dish soap that we were using before. So now we have this beautiful pump bottle, nice, elegant, classic design, glass bottle with the metal pump. Very nice, refillable, really good size, so you're not going to have to refill it very often because this is going to last a really long time. And our new refill size bottles, and I'll show you in the side here, I filled that whole bottle and there's still more than half a bottle left in the refill. So our Cucina Essentials dish soap is a nature-derived ingredients. It's a non-drying, moisturizing formula, so it's going to leave your hands feeling soft and nourished, not dried and parched after you do the dishes. It's going to cut the grease using citric acid microbubbles. So get in there really good. Everybody knows, anybody who cleans with lemon or orange oil knows how good of a cleaner citric acid is. So they've got it in the little microbubbles, really gets in, cuts the grease, does do a great job. Just, one swipe and the dish is clean. And it's a natural clean. It's highly concentrated. So again, this is going to last. I'll have to remember to report back and let you know how long this lasts for our family of two with our dishes. But it's highly concentrated. All of the surfactants, the cleaning ingredients are all 100% plant-based. And it's free of 6 chemical preservatives that you may not want in your dish soap, and it's biodegradable, so it's safe for your kitchen and safe for the environment. So great addition. Glad that we do have, because as much as I wanted to use this, that pump was really keeping me from using it. So I'm glad we now have this nice bottle, and it is very heavy glass, so this is not going to come sliding off your counter accidentally or anything like that. So very, very nice setup. And remember, very highly concentrated, so a little bit goes a very long way. So that is actually all I have for you at this campaign, for campaign 7. And hope you're all having a wonderful day. If you haven't already, be sure to hop on Facebook and search for Thoughts on Beauty, and you'll find my VIP group there. And we talk about a bit more than just Avon products. In fact, the other day, I believe the question of the day was, "What's your favorite bagel?" So we do like to get to know everybody in there a little bit more personally, and you get more kind of behind the scenes type stuff and sneak peeks of things. Like we have a new fashion collection coming out in campaign 8, and the folks in the Thoughts on Beauty group on Facebook will get to see it first. So definitely the place you want to be on social media. Hope you are having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks.